Welcome to Mr. K's Travel Club, guys. Mr. K's Travel Club, Mr. K's Travel Club. We are just taking a glimpse of main Schiff 5. This is the jogging side. You can actually jog here. We're on the cruise ship, guys. We're on the cruise ship, right? Today being the 2nd of December, we took a cruise ship from Cape Town. We are actually it's actually a cruise ship from Cape Town. The ship is gonna go from Cape Town. Is gonna go to Port Elizabeth, and from Port Elizabeth it's gonna go to Durban, and from Durban it's gonna go to Omar in Muscat, and from Omar, Muscat is gonna go to Dubai, and then we'll have our 3 days in Dubai. You can sit and relax and enjoy yourselves, and sit and enjoy ourselves and so forth. Right. So I'm just taking a glimpse, guys. I'm just gonna give you content just for you guys to see. As South Africans, we can always do this. It's very important, for us to be able to travel and see the world. Right. We mustn't sit and relax and say, no, we can't do what other people are doing. So here, they are actually playing some music. As you can see, it's very nice and so forth. But I'll show you guys how it looks like inside so you can take a glimpse and so forth. Right. So I want to quickly here. It's a jogging train, so you can wake up in the morning and take a jog and jog here and so forth. Right. So here, this is what's happening. Right. So here, you can actually, these are swimming pools, guys. These are swimming pools. Swimming pools, as you can see how it is. Right. Swimming pools. Such a beautiful place, right? Yeah, these are chairs, you can sit and relax. So forth. Let me go to the other side. Right. Let me just show you guys. You can see the other side. So it's always nice, just to make sure that we taking some glimpse. Hi, how are you? Good. Yeah. So it continues to the other side, but as you can see here. So this is a cruise ship, guys. You can see inside how it is and so forth. It's so beautiful, right? So beautiful, right? So it has got such a beautiful area where you can actually sit and relax and so forth. And this is the stairs. You can go down there. You understand? But let me take the side of the other side, because of here you can see properly. It's a jogging train. So this is water, guys. This is the sea, right? This is the sea. The cruise ship is actually at a Cape Town cruise port. We are dogging now. The cruise ship hasn't left. It will leave in a couple of hours from now. So you can see here we go. So I'm gonna take a glimpse just for you guys to see the other side of Cape Town, right? The other side of Cape Town, and so you guys can see. Hello, how are you? This is the bar. People are relaxing, nice, and so guys, as you can see, this is Cape Town. We are actually on the 14th floor, as you can see there. This is Cape Town Port, Cape Town Cruise Terminal, as you can see there, Cape Town Cruise Terminal, and then we are actually very, very, very far. Right? Can't see properly because of the series. That's a CBD. That's Cape Town CBD. Right. So you can see. All right. Let me quickly go back so you guys can see clearly. How beautiful this place is. Yeah. Here you can sit and relax with your wife, your partner. You can sit and relax and be yourself. There's chairs here. You can sit and be yourself. These are jacuzzis there, swimming pools there, and so forth. Well, so let's quickly see, because sometimes we as Africans, we think this is just only for rich people. You know, it doesn't matter. Whatever money that you have, you don't have to worry about what you have. You can actually always take the little that you have, you can save some money and take yourself for a vacation. You know, understand? It's very good. So this is another section of the swimming pools. So let me show you here. Right? Yeah, this is also another section of swimming pool, small swimming pool for kids, I think. Yeah, right. So today is our first day, right? We'll have 20 days on this cruise ship. 20 days on this cruise ship, right? So we are going. I don't want to tell you some other things. I'll tell you guys at the end of the video, right? So you go and you relax. You wake up in the morning, you can walk. You know, you can jog here. You can jog like this, right? You jog like this, right? And then while you are jogging like that, you get a chance, to increase your, understand? So this is my family. They are playing basketball, right? So as you can see there, right? As you can see there, they are so excited and then it's so nice. They are relaxed. Hello, baby. How are you? These are my children. They are playing and so forth. Yeah, guys, sometimes you work. Don't just work and, just keep your money with you. Tomorrow you may not be available. You may not be around. Whatever you have, enjoy your time and believe in God. That God can always give you the best. It's very important. All right, guys? So, yeah, I'll keep you guys posted in terms of what's happening and so forth. We still have a long way to go. Yeah, this is Cape Town, all right? Hotel Sky. That's Hotel Sky. It's a Hotel Sky. It's a hotel in Cape Town called Hotel Sky, all right? So, yeah, anyway, this is so beautiful, right? It is so beautiful, as you can see here, right? Let me go inside here. In this section, it's a basketball. Yeah, it's a basketball. My family's playing. As you can see there, there's also a big screen there where you can watch, some events and so forth. Like say, for instance, this soccer matches and so forth, you can always do that. All right, so it's very important. All right, so it's one of those things, guys. Sometimes you just have to be yourself and then relax. Be yourself, all right? So let me quickly go up and see, through the stairs, so you guys can see how it looks like, so forth. All right. So here you can sit and relax. Be yourself. And so forth. This is actually at the back of the ship. Let me quickly go at the back of the ship so you guys can see how the ship looks like at the back. But because I'm upstairs, so I'll have to go down so you guys can see. Right. So this is the back of the ship. This is where the ship ends. This is the bar. People are just sitting, relax, and so forth. It's at night. It's at night. So this is written in a German language. German language. I don't understand what they're saying, but you guys will understand. You'll know what they're saying. Maybe some of you guys understand this language, German, but I don't understand. So that's one of those things, guys. All right, guys. I'll keep you posted. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching.